So I just wanted to do a short video about the Facehugger, looking at it as a very playable sequencer. So what I've got in this patch, I've got the Facehugger output going to frequency of the mutable shelves. So that's, take this out because it's not going to do anything. It's just in the way. So I'm using the Facehugger to sequence the pitch of shelves, and I'm using a little expander that I've made for the Facehugger to get a trigger out on each time we cross one of these thresholds. It's also got the ramp that drives the Facehugger input coming out of it, and I'm using end of rise. So that's a trigger pulse, just for some variation as we go through the sequences as well. But since the Facehugger controls are so much driven to, I mean, you've got obviously the controls of the pitch of the sequence, but you've got all of these other controls around, so the speed, the linearity of the steps, the size, so this is or scale, this is the how big each of these steps is going to be. You've got the up and down of the sequence, so what order it's going to go in, but this also controls what range these knobs are, and where we're at by default for the route to. We've also got glide controls, so control not just of the glide amount, but the type of glide and whether or not that's on, and also these different options for what we're doing when whether we're just running, whether we go through once, or whether we'll keep going through, keep repeating as we hold down the trigger button. So I've got nothing external plugged into Facehugger, just got so I'm using mostly the two bandpass outputs of shelves, just the combined output of that, so we're in mono, going through a spring reverb, and that's it for the patch. So I'll just play it and play Facehugger for a bit, and just show how fun that is. Yeah.